Okay, so here we are. This is my workshop. We're going to be going over here. Okay, so this is, oh, well, the melting pot thing was open. I'll just have to get rid of all that, but this is all excess lead that's been dripping out of it. And I'll take that all up and put it back in. But this is the melting pot itself. And this is the bin that I keep the excess lead in, which I normally would wait until I had a lot more. But the reason I brought it was to show you guys, so you can see exactly what I'm doing and what you do with the excess. And it just obviously goes in the melting pot, but I'm going to show you how to mix in some tin, which I've been using solder, 60-40 solder, because it's 60% lead, 40% tin. So you do the math and you get your 60-40 into a 5% of overall weight in lead ratio, so that you have your 5% to make casting go a lot easier. And it definitely does make casting go a lot easier. You'll appreciate that you did it if you do. I want to show you also quickly the ventilation system. I have this big hood vent over where I'm working. Here, let me show you this like this. So I have a P100 respirator I wouldn't be wearing if I didn't have all this ventilation, but this hood is right above where I'm working, and it goes into an 8-inch duct, which has a 800 CFM fan that is in the inline fan, and that goes straight out to my chimney. So there's very good ventilation in here. There's an air mover blowing in, so I have very good circulation, and everything goes straight up here. And even while I'm doing this, I have an air quality tester going right here that shortly will show you the quality of the air. So the air is, as long as you don't see that go into anything but fresh, if that goes to, if it even goes to, you don't want to go into danger, but if it even goes into anything less than fresh, I'm gonna be wearing the respirator. But it never does because of this ventilation. So let me get this stuff squared away and ready to go, and then I'll show you how I do the mixture and add the flux to clean up the lead and all that stuff. All right, I will be right back in one more second.